Okay, so this is part 284C3m1b7c8e12d. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e12d. Airlift pressure, vortex rotation, spin, UFO 5G Wow Seti. So we're still talking about the designs here. This is the alien radio signal, and these are the keyword ideas for a UFO spaceship to fly, spin, and rotate. Okay? Take a look at this diagram. See how it spins and it goes up? Actually, it goes down when it spins, but see how it's got these wings sticking out? Airlift, airlift. Okay. Quotes and diagrams from the blog. The flight path of a maple seed visualized in a composite multi-flash photograph. Auto-rotating seeds slow their descent by exploiting the low pressure generated by a vortex that forms at the leading edge of their spinning wing. A similar leading edge vortex also elevates the lift of insect, bat, and hummingbird wings, suggesting it represents a convergent aerodynamic solution in the evolution of flight performance. The credit is courtesy of David Lentic. Pasadena, California. The twirling seed, this is a quote from the blog, okay? The twirling seeds of maple trees spin like miniature helicopters as they fall to the ground. Because these seeds descend slowly as they swirl, they can be carried aloft by the wind and dispersed over great distances. Just how the seeds manage to fall so slowly, however, has mystified scientists. They still haven't figured out why. In research published in the June 12th issue of the journal Science, research from Wageningen University in the Netherlands and the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, described the aerodynamic secret of the enchanting swirling seeds. The research, led by David Lentic, an assistant professor at Wageningen, and Michael H. Dixon, the Zeram professor of bioengineering at Caltech, revealed that by swirling, maple seeds generate a tornado-like vortex. So we're talking about the rotation of a spaceship, right? So a tornado-like vortex that sits atop the front leading edge of the seeds as they spin slowly to the ground. This leading edge vortex lowers the air pressure over the upper surface of the maple seed, effectively sucking the wing upward to oppose gravity. So you have an anti-gravity situation here, giving it a boost, so it allows you to travel long distances using next to no power. The vortex doubles the lift generated by the seeds compared to non-swirling seeds. This use of a leading edge vortex to increase lift is remarkably similar to the trick employed by insects, bats, and hummingbirds when they sweep their wings back and forth to hover. The finding means that plants and animals have converged evolutionarily on an identical aerodynamic solution for improving their flight performance. And that's from caltech.edu. December 17, 2012, my thoughts. Today's December 31st. The same way you want the UFO spaceship to rotate up, the magnetic force in center spinning upwards. What is the math equation for this maple seed visualization? I couldn't figure it out, but I'm hoping you guys will. Quote from PDF file, Dynamics of Spin Vortices in Two-Dimensional Planar Magnets, and this is from 1982. D.L. Huber, University of Wisconsin, February 1982. We investigate the dynamics of a dilute gas of free spin vortices in a two-dimensional planar magnet. An equation of motion for the spin vortex is presented and compared with the corresponding equation for a vortex in a superfluid film. Exploiting a similar analogy with the dynamics of a two-dimensional plasma. In a perpendicular magnetic field, we calculate the mean square vortex velocity and the vortex self-diffusion constant in the critical region above the phase transition. So they have math equations that you can use for the UFO spaceship. When combined with equations obtained previously for the spin autocorrelation functions, our results provide an approximate description of the vortex contribution to the critical dynamics outside of the hydrodynamic regime. And that's from links.aps.org. Okay. So there's a DOI number there. December 7, my thoughts. I smiled when I found this magnet, spin, and vortex, all needed for the UFO spaceship and space elevator ideas to work. Okay, so you would add this to your formulas. Thanks for watching.